Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you guys. I am going to be showing you my tanning routine. This video especially is for my best friend because she's always asking me how to do tanning the best way, all the tips and tricks, so this is for her especially. I'm gonna walk you through all the best tips and tricks to get that beautiful J-Lo glow and look super bronzed and tan because spring is coming up and summer's coming up and I'm all for that. So if you want to learn how to get the best glow ever, then just keep on watching. Luckily for you, I have tried out pretty much every tanner there is on the market. I've tried out mousses, I've tried out sprays, I've tried out all different brands, the 2-hour ones, the 6-hour ones, everything. And this is the routine that I found that looks the best on me, the color that looks the best on me. So that's what I'm gonna be sharing today. Hopefully this will give you some tips and tricks on how to get the perfect, most wonderful glow for the summer. Okay, for prep, we're gonna start by taking off our makeup, making sure that everything is off of our face. I'm just using makeup wipe. You can use makeup remover, whatever you want. Just get it clean. Then you're gonna wanna shave your body. I like to shave my arms and pretty much everywhere, but you shave wherever you want. It's just gonna create that smooth canvas. And then we're gonna scrub the body of all the dead skin cells. My absolute favorite body scrub is a sugar scrub from a brand called Rituals. It is so good, and I'm just taking it all over my body and in my eye, apparently. And we're just gonna scrub those hard places that usually like tanner likes to build up on. So like our hands, our elbows, our ankles, our knees. And then I'm also just going all over the rest of my body. I'm using a different scrub for my face that's made for my face, but literally just get all the dead skin off of your body that you can. Then you're gonna pat your body down, and I actually rub my towel all over my body just to, again, get all the dead skin off. Okay, now for the fun part. My favorite tanner is this Fake Bake Flawless Darker Tan. It is so good. It comes with plastic gloves and a little mitt. Get rid of the mitt. It's awful. They're useless. Trust me, this is the tip. The best tip that I can give you is use the gloves. So I can either spray on the glove itself or you can spray on the skin directly, whatever you prefer. But you're just gonna go in circular motions and get in every little nook and cranny. And the great thing about using the gloves is that it doesn't soak up all your product like the mitt does. And you get the most beautiful, gorgeous, amazing tan ever. Just trust me, I promise. So here I'm just showing you can spray it directly on the skin. Just be careful, it does drip. I either lay a towel down or do it in my bathroom, whatever. And usually when you first start putting it on, it's a little bit streaky, but just keep blending it in and keep doing circular motions and it just does the most amazing, perfect tan ever, I promise. So a really good trick over hard areas like your knees and your ankles and stuff like that is I kind of blend it in after I've done a main part. So I'll show you here with my legs. So on my foot, I'm going on my leg first, and then we're going to do the most on the ankle and then fade it down onto the foot. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So like the least amount of product is going to go on my toes and kind of on the side. So it's a fade. And that's how you're gonna make it so that your toes and your feet, your fingers don't look like super orange and blotchy. Then I am doing my hands. So same thing, I'm gonna do most of it on my wrist and then I'm fading it up. You just wanna make sure you're getting all the sides, all the crannies in between every single finger, on the sides of every single finger. And then you're gonna wanna scrunch your fingers and your toes. I did this in the toes too. Scrunch them like this and get in between so those little wrinkles on your fingers don't end up white. Now for the face. I like to do it almost like contouring. So I'm gonna take most of it around the contour parts of my face, so around the perimeter, in my like cheekbone areas, and then I'm gonna blend it in after that. So it's gonna kind of give my face like a natural contour look, and it makes the face amazing. And then whatever's left over, you're just gonna do on your ears. Now I look like I've rolled around in dirt and we're just going to let that set for about 3 hours And then I'm going to wash off my hands and my face. Get in some dark clothes that you don't care if they get dirty or stained, and then we're just gonna wait. Okay, number 1 tip. After 2 to 3 hours, we are going to take a makeup wipe and wipe off our face and wash our hands. That's gonna stop the development in those areas so that those areas don't get too dark, but we're gonna leave the rest on for the full 6 to 8 hours. Thought we were done? We ain't done yet. To take it to the next level, these 2 products are life: Airbrush Legs from Sally Hansen or the Body Blur from Vita Liberata. They will take your tan to the whole new level. They are amazing. So all you do is with the spray, you spray it on. With the other one, you just rub it on. They both have a little bit of a shimmer to them, and they're not fully transfer proof, so just be aware of that. But if you are going to be laying on the beach all day, there is nothing that will make you look more bronzed and golden goddess than these 2 products. And that is it, you guys. That is everything. Look at these hands. They're perfect. There's no orange spots. I'm telling you, follow this routine and you will have the most beautiful, perfect tan. And it lasts for like 2 weeks. It's amazing. I just wanted to show you guys. This is filming on my iPhone in just natural daylight. This is what the tan looks like. I've been showing you on my other camera, but I kind of thought, you know, I want to show them what the color looks like, just like on your iPhone, if you're taking pictures on your iPhone or whatever. So the color is amazing. I just feel like I feel sun-kissed, I feel alive again, and I feel like I am not dead and white from the winter. So love, love, love this tanning routine. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my tips and tricks on how to live life better. And being tan makes me live my life better. I don't know how, but it does. So anyway, thank you guys for being here. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.